I can understand English very well. Don't worry. እኔ በደንብ ይገባኛል እንግሊዝኛ። እኔ እተረጉምላቸዋለሁ። አንቺ ፊል ፍሪ እና የፈለግሽውን ከባድ ነው የምትይውን እንግሊዝኛ ተጠቅመሽ አውሪ። እኔ ተርጉም ያሳይሻል። ኦኬ
Okay. I feel like everyone has misjudged me like the past week. I just want to say, like, I respect my mother. But I feel like everyone thinks that I brought her on social media first. But it was really my mom who came to social media first.
Okay. And little, let me translate little, okay?
Okay.
ኦኬ አሁን ያለችው እኔ ፊል እየተሰማኝ ያለው ሁሉም ሰው እየፈረደብኝ ነው። እኔ እናቴን ማላከብር መስሏቸዋል፣ ግን እኔ እናቴን በጣም አከብራለሁ እና እናቴን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ቀድሜ እኔ ያመጣኋት መስሏቸው ነበረ። ግን እኔ አይደለሁም እናቴን መጀመሪያ ቀድሜ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ያመጣኋትኝ፣ እሷ ናት ቀድማ የመጣችው አለች። ከዛ ተረጉማለሁ። ቴንክ ዩ
ያ and I feel like the reason it's not about me wanting like a boyfriend, it's really because of politics, and that's why like she wants me to have a boyfriend, but this is all I feel like she's hiding most of her story behind politics. Like this is politics. Like she told me that I could have a boyfriend like in America. She say like, okay, I have a boyfriend in America. So the whole reason why it started is because my mom has like some political things, and what happened is Alex did not disrespect her first. My mom started like all of this first. Like she came to social media because I decided to leave, and she like did a lot of things to Alex which people don't understand. Like whatever people are saying, Habiba, they're saying, oh, like not this Gebbing. Like of course that's my mom, that is my mom, but you guys have to like, no matter if someone is my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, like if someone is in the wrong, like they should be held accountable for that, period. Like I feel like if my mom was peaceful from the beginning, like none of this would be on social media. That's the thing. That's what I feel like. But like nobody understands that, so yeah.
Okay, let me translate and we will continue. Okay. ጉዳዩ የቦይፍሬንድ ምናምን ጉዳይ አይደለም። እናቴ ፖለቲካ ነው እያለች ማለት ወደ ፖለቲካ አዙራብኝ ነው። ቢሃይንድ ስቶሪ ምንድነው? ከኋላዋ የደበቀችው የፖለቲካ ነገር አለ እንጂ የቦይፍሬንድ ጉዳይ አይደለም። እና እናንተ እናት ስለሆነች ብቻ ትክክል ናት ትላላችሁ። ግን አንድ ሰው እናት ሆነ አባት ሆነ ማንም ሆነ ትክክል ካልሆነ ትክክል አይደለህም ነው መባል ያለበት። እናት ስለሆነች ብቻ በደፈናው ትክክል ናት ማለት የለባችሁም። ፌር
Yeah, no, like Asra Simmons Boala, like ልጆች like Sara Ale, like you know, like they have their own lives. That's the thing. Like even my mom, she left like Asra Sabat. She left earlier than me.
She left her family when she was 17.
Not left, like not in a bad way, but I'm saying she started her own life when like Asir Sabat Boala. Any hiring, like I respect my mom truly, but I feel like that's the thing about me. I know like Hulum Habesha Sowich, like at the end of the day, like parents are parents and nobody wants to like tell them, oh, this is what I want to do. But me, I'm not afraid of like telling my mom that I want to have my own life. I'm not afraid of doing that. So I'm just saying like it's not that serious. Like relationship wise, it's not that serious. Okay, I have a boyfriend. Every person, like what person doesn't go out and find love themselves? What person? You know? Everyone has the right. If I was a child, I would understand.
Everyone has the right to choose whatever he wants.
Yes, if any like listening, I would understand. Okay, my mom, she's protecting me. This, but I feel like I have to learn myself. Like, even if it's the wrong thing, even if this guy is gonna leave me in 2 years, why can't I find that out myself? Why do I have to have people tell me not to learn my mistakes? You know?
Yeah, I understand.
No.
ሚቴል ደም ያልሽውን መጀመሪያ ልተርጉምላቸው። እንትን እኔ 20 ዓመቴ ነው፣ ትልቅ ነኝ፣ እኔ ፈረንጅ ነኝ። እኛ እዚህ አሜሪካ እኔ የምኖርበት ሀገር 18 ዓመት ከሞላው በኋላ አንድ ሰው ከቤት ወጥቶ ይሰራል፣ የፈለገውን ህይወት ይኖራል። እናቴ እንኳን በ17 ዓመቷ ነው ከቤተሰቦቿ ጋር በጥሩ ሁኔታ፣ በመጥፎ ተጣልታ ምናምን ሳይሆን በጥሩ ሁኔታ የወጣችው። እና እኔ ትልቅ እኮ ነኝ፣ እኔ እኮ 21 ዓመት ሊሆነኝ ነው አሁን። እና ለምን የራሴን ህይወት የመኖር መብት አይኖረኝም? ለምን እንደ ማንኛውም ሰው የፈለኩትን መርጬ መኖር አልችልም? ስህተትም ከሆነ ለምን አልሞክርም? ሞክሬ ተሳስቼ ከስህተቴ ለምን አልማርም? ለምን እንድሳሳት አይፈቀድልኝም? ኖ በያታቡ እንዴ! ለምን ይሄማ ባገነንነት ነው። እንዴት ሆናታለሁ?
No, but anyways, the main point of it is, like, everyone is just saying my mom is protecting me, but I feel like from the beginning, like, I just wanted peace between both of them. Like, that's all I want. From now on, like, I want my mom and Alex to be in peace. That's all I want. Whether it's politics, whether it's, like, I'm still young and things like that. Why can't they talk to each other, like, in private? My mom came to social media first. That's I don't care what anybody says. Everyone says that, I put my mom on live. Guys, my mom told me to go live, and I was put in a situation where everyone just saw it, and now everyone's fighting with each other. My mom came to social media first. That's that.
Did you know that, guys? Her mom, she came first. እናቴ ናት መጀመሪያ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ መጥታ ጉዳዩን የተናገረችው። እኔ አይደለሁም። አብዛኞቻችሁ እየፈረዳችሁብኝ ነው። እናትሽን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ አመጣሽ እያላችሁኝ ነው። እኔ ግን አይደለሁም ያመጣኋት። እናቴ ናት ቀድማ የመጣችው።
Guys, Eswa Masrat, like, honest fake account, just Sidib Alex Betaseb. It's my mom. Like, I understand from my mom's side, I understand she's trying to protect me, but she reported him to the embassy, and she made, like, so much accounts. She sent people to bully me on the internet. She did all of these things. And that's why now I'm on live explaining myself. So, yeah, that's that.
ሌሎችን የምትመክሪውን ለምን እሷን አትመክሪያትም? ኦኬ፣ ሌሎችን የምመክራቸው ከማያከብራችሁ፣ ከማይወዳችሁ፣ ከእናንተ ገንዘብ ከሚፈልግ ወንድ ጋር አትሆኑ ነው የምለው። ስለዚህ እሷን ልጠይቃት፣ ያከብርሻል፣ ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ልጠይቃት። እንደዛ ከሆነ አይሆንሽም ብዬ እነግራታለሁ። ገንዘብ
show us evidence. Guys, I have a cross around my neck. When I tell you guys...
Did you ever give money to Alex? You sent him money?
Well, one time I gifted him, but that was, like, my decision. But he doesn't have any control of my money. He does not have any control of anything. Like, I do all my stuff myself. So, yeah. But...
ገንዘብ ሰጥቼው አላውቅም፣ ጊፍት ሰጥቼው አውቃለሁ እንጂ ገንዘቤን እኔ ነኝ የሚይዘው። እሱ ስለኔ ገንዘብ አይመለከተውም።
Yeah, but anyways, I just want my mom, whatever people don't believe me, they don't, that's not my problem. But, like, now I just want peace between both of them. And I know, like, she's posting things and things like that. I just want her to be in peace with him. That's all I want. I'm not asking for anything more. That's all.
ምፈልገው እናቴና አሌክስ ሰላም እንዲሆኑ እንዲታረቁልኝ ብቻ ነው ምፈልገው። እኔ ሌላ ምንም አልፈልግም። እና ይሄንን ተባበሩኝ የኢትዮጵያ ሕዝቦች፣ አሌክስን እና እናቴን አስታርቁልኝ። ይሄንን ነው ምፈልገው ነው እያለች ያለችው። all I want is Alex and my mom to be peace, right? That's what.
Yes, that's all. That's all. That's literally all I want. I don't know. Everyone's fighting. I don't like. It's too stressful. Seriously.
ያ እሷ በጣም ስትረስፉል ሆኛለሁ። እኔ በጣም እየተጨነኩ ነው። በመሀል ቤት እሷ በጣም እየተጨነቀች ነው። እናቷና ፍቅረኛዋ ሰላም ስላልሆኑ እሷ ሰላም አይደለችም። ኦኬ ሌላው ደግሞ በደፈናው ልጅ ስለሆነች ብቻ የምትፈርዱባትን ነገር ጥሩ አይደለም። መፍረድ በአጠቃላይ ጥሩ አይደለም። አትፍረዱባት። ማናችንም በሷ እድሜ ያልፈናል። ፋየር ኤጅ ነው ያለችው፣ እድሜዋ ነው፣ ፍቅረኛ አላት፣ ቤተሰብ ነው አለ። ኢትስ ኦኬ ኖርማል ነው። ይሄ በሁላችንም ዘንድ የምናልፈው ነገር ነው። ያልፋል። ይሄም ጊዜ ያልፋል። ኦኬ እቺ ልጅ ነገ የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን በስትረስ ጭንቅላቷ ቢታመም የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን እኛው ነን የምናዝነው። ዜጋችን ኢትዮጵያዊ እህታችን ናት፣ ልናዝንላት ይገባል። አሁን ማድረግ ያለብን አንድና አንድ እናትና ልጅን ማስታረቅ፣ አሌክስና እናትን ማስታረቅ። only that you want? ቤት እንግሊዘኛ
Yeah, I mean, like, what else is there to say? Like,
anything else you want?
literally, yeah, nothing else. Like, I don't know. I feel like there's so much lies. Like, see, again, if I try to say something, everyone's gonna say, no, still, she's your mom, this, like, no matter, even if my mom did wrong things.
1 second, what you said? መረጃ እናቷ አርጋለች ሚሉትን ምንድነው? እናቷ አርጋለች ምንም እናቴ ምንም አርጋለች ያለችው ነገር የለም። እናቴ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣችው። ለዛ ነው መረጃ የምጠይቃት። ለዛ እናትየው ስትመጣ እኔ አይደለሁም ቀድሜ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣሁትኝ ዴዚ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ወጣችሁ ካለች አዳት ታይም እኔ ዴዚን አይ ኒድ ፕሩፍ ላታለሁኝ። ኦኬ ይታረቃሉ። ሰይጣን ያፍራል። እነሱ እናትና ልጅ ይታረቁና ሰይጣን ያፍራል። ይታረቃሉ። ሁላቸውም ይታረቃሉ፣ ይስማማሉ።
Yeah, and also, Habiba, also, like, people kept saying, like, oh, I called the police on my mom, things like that. Guys, she stole my passport. So as an American, like, Asra Simmons Bwala, like, you cannot have your children's, you cannot control them. That's it. Like, there's Hulet mindset, Habesha mindset, get any Gemashinechning. I'm not scared to tell my mom that she's in the wrong. That's the difference with me. I'm not scared. So, the only reason I wanted to get the police
involved. She's the one that raised you like this to be strong. That's good. That's why I'm scared to tell your mom she's wrong. It's okay.
Exactly.
Even our moms, they make mistake. They are human.
Yeah, exactly.
They can make mistake. Mom is not God. She's not perfect. She can make mistake, no problem. When my mom, she make mistake, I can tell her, mommy, this is wrong.
Yes. Yeah.
She cannot be perfect only because she's a mother.
Exactly.
And the other thing, when I remember, I will tell you.
Yeah. But, yeah.
Okay, now the other, yes, don't listen anybody when they told you call police to your mother. That is very bad. Don't listen to them.
Yeah, and also I see comments saying that like I'm in her house. Guys, I left her house. I left her household. I am starting my own life here. She followed me to this state. She came back this time to steal my passport. She is the one following me. I'm not in her care anymore, guys. I'm not. So, me trying to start my own life, she's the one trying to follow me. It's not me. It's not me at all. So, stop saying that, people.
Don't listen negative people, okay? You and your mom gonna be okay. You will be fine. And Alex and your mom also, they will be peace. Don't worry. Don't listen negative people.
I mean, how when...
ፕሊስ የሆነ እንግሊዝኛ የሚናገር ሰው ከኋላ ይቀራሉ። አሁን የሚያወሩ የሚያቦኩ በአንቺና በእናትሽ መሀል ገብተው የሚያቦኩ የሚያባሉ ሁሉ እናንተ ታርቃችሁ እነሱ መሀል ይቀራሉ የሚለው በእንግሊዝኛ ምንድን ነው? ያውሩ እነሱ። አይኔ እኔ እኮ ቤተሰቦች ይዛኔ ተማሪ ተይ ሲሉኝ ክፋት መስሎኝ ባለ መማሪ እኮ ነው።
አቡዬ ይቅርታ፣ ከሷ ወገን ወይ ካንቺ ወገን ለምን አንዳታስገቢ? ወይ ከእናቷ ወገን
እንግሊዝኛ 100% ገብቶኛል። የኔን በእንግሊዝኛ ስሜት የሚነግርልኝ አንድ ሰው ፈልጋለሁ።
ከእናቷ ወገን እኔ የእናቷ ወገን ነኝ። እኔ ላስተርጉም የሚል ይግባ። በቃ የእናቷ ወገን።
እሺ ምንድነው ወገን? ማንም
her social security number. So that would be very bad for your mom. She might not even get a retirement, you know?
Yeah, that's why I didn't call them.
So Habiba say, thank you so much for doing that.
Yeah.
ስለዚህ አሁን እንዲህ በይልኝ ሌላ የምትፈልጊው ከእናትሽ ጋር ከመታረቅና እናትሽንና አሌክስን ከማስታረቅ ውጪ የምትፈልጊው ነገር አለ ወይ? እንድንሰማሽ የምትፈልጊው ነገር አለ ወይ?
All right, so Daisy, Habiba say that is there anything else that you need to let the Ethiopia people, the Habesha people, the Eritrea people that support you, you know, that really push for you? That's not only Ethiopian, all Habesha. I see you sometimes. We all were very disturbed by your situation. She's saying that is there anything else besides having a peace with your mom and Alex and your mom? Is there anything else you want to let us know? Especially Habiba, she really want to help you, so just let her know.
Yeah, so like also I want people to know like I didn't leave just because of a guy. I did not leave just because of a guy. Like at the end of the day, unless anybody has lived in a toxic household, physical and mental abuse, like I don't want to hear anyone's opinion about why I left, because if you guys were never in a toxic household, like you guys would never understand why someone would leave. Like why did I wait 20 years? Okay, like some people don't leave until they're ready, by the way. Like it was not just because of a guy. I left because I was mentally disturbed by everything going on. And that's my right as a 20-year-old. I can move out. I can start my own life. I can start working. I can do all of that if I want to. So that's that. And as of my mom coming on social media, my mom came on social media first. It was not me. She made fake accounts. She's sending people to bully me. She's telling people I take medication. She's telling people I send like balagay photos. Not all Habeshas, obviously, because we all have our own opinions, but I feel like most people are disagreeing with me because trauma is so normalized in Ethiopia, by the way. And I'm not afraid to tell people that. I'm not afraid to tell people my traumas. I don't care. Whether like 100% of people want to judge me, oh, she's still your mother at the end of the day. Guys, like I'm not afraid to step up. I'm not. If my mom mentally made me feel some type of way, I'm gonna tell people. I don't care. I don't care. And that's. Of course, she gave birth to me, but stop normalizing trauma, guys. Stop. Like you guys also for parents, like you guys need to listen to your children sometimes, because this is why so much Ethiopian children suffer mentally, because we never feel like we can speak for ourselves. That's so crazy. But anyways, any gimash nechning, so I'm not afraid to, you know, I did not grow up with the culture, so that's why I feel so
Can I make a suggestion, Desi?
yeah, sure.
Okay, so
Okay, ጥያቄ ያለው ይስዋል
ጥያቄ እኔ ምንም አይነት ጥያቄ የለኝም። ኮሜንታተሮች እናቷን ዲስሪስፔክት አድርጓል እያሉ ነው። ሶ ለዛ ደግሞ አንተ እናትየውን ይቅርታ ትጠይቃታለህ። ሌላ ግን አንተ መናገር የምትፈልገው ነገር ካለ ዴዚ መናገር የምትፈልገው ነገር ሁሉ ጨርሳለች። ካልጨረሰች ስቲል መናገር ትችላለች። ዴዚ if you want to ask Alex anything or if you want to say anything you can say.
Okay. No, I feel like I don't know. I feel like people are kind of connecting Alex with the reason I left. So now I feel like mainly people, they think Alex disrespect my mom. So now Alex can explain to everyone what actually happened. So this is what he can say now.
ለወጥ የምፈልግ ልጅ እንጂ የእሷን ብር ለመጠቀም ፈልግ ልጅ አይደለም። ገባሻ? አንድም ብርን ጠይቂያት አልፈልግም። ምክንያቱም በቤት በላይ ለራሴ የሚሆን ለራሴ ተርፍ ለቤተሰቦች ማለት ገባሽ? ሶ ታይምት ባክት ሱ ጊፍት ልሰጣት ብር ግን በአንበሳ ልሰጣትን በካሽ ነው ልሰጣት ብር ወይ በፔፓል እመልስላታለሁ። ሰው አያገባም አንተ እና ለዛ ነው ሀቢባ ለሁሉ ስ እንዲሆንበት ሰው የወይዘሮ እንቲናን ጥያቄዎች ደግሞ እሷ ስትመጣ ለእሷ ጠይቃለሁ። ምክንያቱም እዚህ ዴዚ የሚያገባት አይደለም ጥያቄው ላይ ዜድም የሚያገባት አይደለም።
ኦኬ፣ እነዚህ 3 ጥያቄዎች ከማን ነው የመጡት ታዲያ? ወረቀት ፈልጎ ነው? አሜሪካን ለመሄድ ፈልጎ ነው? እና ብር ፈልጎ ነው? እነዚህ 3 ጥያቄዎች አንተ ለእናትየው የምጠይቀው ጥያቄ ነው?
ይሄ ነው እናትየው የእሷን ጥያቄዎች
እኮ ሲመጣ እናትየው ስትመጣ ለእሷ ጥያቄዎች አሉት።
ብዙ ጥያቄዎች አሉ እና ራሷ የምትመልስልኝ
እሺ፣ ዋትሳፕ ቮይስ መሴጅ ላድርግላትና ከመጣች ትጠይቃታል።
ላይፍ ላይ ተናግሬያለሁ። ዴዚ ፍሪደም ትፈልጋለች። ያንን ፍሪደም በራሷ ጊዜ አይታው ራሷ ልብ ስትገዛ በራሷ ጊዜ ተወስናለች። ይሄ ሪሌሽን ይስራ አይታወቅም። ግን እልህ ውስጥ ገቢ በልጅነትሽም ጀምረሽ የተማርሽውን ነገር ለማድረግ እንደው እንደ እኛ በግንብ እንዘላለን ነበር እንዴ? በዴዚ እድሜ እኮ ቤተሰብ ከተኛ በኋላ ደረት ተስበሽ በግንብ ትወርጃለሽ ጭፈራ ለሚል ስትመለሽ ግን መግባሽ ገደል የሆነ ጊዜ እቺ ልጅ ምን አለች እንዴ? እኔ የዴዚን እናት መሆን በዚህ ኤጅ መውለድ ስለሌለብሽ ቱ አርሊ ብላ እግዚአብሔር ቦርሷን በኮንዶም ሞልታ አሌክስ ጋር መላክ ዲስ ማይ አይዲያ። የወደሽ ዲስሪስፔክት አይደለም። እኔ ይሄ ኤጅ ፍሪደም የሚሰጥሽ ሰዓት ነው እና ሺዶን ናፍቶ ኮንት እንዴ ኢትዮጵያን ወደፊት አንዳርጋችሁ የምትገዙት እናንተ ናችሁ። ቀዳማዊ እመቤት ቀዳማዊ ነው ኪንግን ያገባሹ እግዚአብሔርን። እኔ ደግሞ ዴዚ ባሌ ትግሬ ነው። የሚገርምሽ ነገር ትግሬን ያገባ አንቺ ራሱ እንትን ምንድነው ሰው
ብሄር ባይጠቀስ እኔ ቤት ብሄር አይጠቀስም። በቃ ሰው ነው። ሁሉም ሰው እኩል ነው።
ችግር የለም፣ ምንም ችግር የለውም ሀቢባ። አሁን የአንደኛ ሴንቸሪ ለራሱ ሰው ተለክፏል። በጣም እኔ ማወቅ ስላለባት ነው የምነግራት። ስለዚህ በአሁን ጊዜ ሲኖትራክ አዲስ ያልተነዳ ነው ያገኘሽው እና እናትሽን ብለሽ አስጋችሁ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ዝጊው። በውስጥ ከፈለ እኔ ለእናትሽ ጥሩ አድቫይስ ልስጣት። በጣም በሷ እድሜ ያሳደጉ ብዙ
ሮሚዬ፣ እዚህ ጋር አንድ ነገር ልናገርሽ። እዚህ ጋር እንደተጀመረ እዚህ ጋር እንዲጨረስ ነው የምፈልገው። እዚህ ጋር አሌክስ መጥተዋል፣ ዴዚ መጥታለች፣ 3 ሆኖ እናቷም ትመጣለች። እዚህ ጀምረው እናቷን መጥታ ይቅር ተባብለው አሌክስም ኦፍኮርስ ይቅርታ ይላታል። እንደ ዴዚ እናት ያከብራታል። ልጇ ከወደዳት